Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use your Skullcandy Push Play Active Bluetooth earbuds. Right now I have simply unboxed them. As you see, they still have the packaging over them. I'll show you how to pair them, how to control your music, how to take calls, and also how to have access to other features. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do once you get them from the box is to remove the protective labels. There is one on the top and the other one is covering the contacts to charge them. So you're going to do this. If it's the first time using them, there's a good chance that the battery inside of the earbud is completely drained out. As you see, I've put them back, and even if I remove them, there's absolutely no light coming over here and over there. What I suggest, if this is also your case, is to put them back inside, close it, take the USB cable that came included, or you can also take the one that you charge your phone, and keep them plugged at least an hour or two. So I'll come back after charging mine and we'll see how you can pair them and also how you can control different things. How you can connect your Skullcandy Push Play Active earbuds, Bluetooth earbuds, to your iPhone. This will also work if you have an iPad. So let's get started. Step number one is to put these into pairing mode. So put them both in the case, take them out, and and we'll need to keep press the Skullcandy button, okay, this logo, during 3 seconds on both of them. 1, 2, 3, and then release. After doing this, you're gonna notice that the light on them is flashing blue and white. Great. This means they are now in pairing mode. We can go to step number 2. We're going to go into the Bluetooth settings. So drag down from the top right corner, then keep press the Bluetooth logo over here. Keep press on it again. Then you're going to get Bluetooth setting. From here, go down below and you're going to see your push play active. Tap on them and they are now connected. You can now put them in your ear and everything will work the way it is supposed to. You're going to be listening to your YouTube music, watching movies, Netflix, whatever. When you put them back in the case, the iPhone will switch back to the internal speakers. When you take them out of the case and put them in your ears, it will switch to them. Here in this Bluetooth menu, if you want to completely delete them, completely erase them from your iPhone because you won't use them ever again, you will have to click on the eye icon beside them. So over here, push play active. If I press this eye icon, I'm gonna select forget this device, forget, and they are completely erased. You'll have to pair them again in the future if you want to use them. So let me show you how you can use your Skullcandy Push Play Active to control your music on your phone or no matter where you're listening to your music, and also take calls. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you want to play pause, you can use either of these, the left one or the right one, it doesn't matter. Simply have to tap once on the Skullcandy logo over here. And just like that, as you see, it was playing and now it paused. If you press again on this logo, it will start playing the music you have. Now, if you want to lower or put the volume up, you'll need both earbuds. So to do a volume down, you will have to take the left side earbud and press on the Skullcandy button during 1 second. Just like that. If you want to put the volume up, you're going to take the right side and you're going to do the same thing. 1 second on the Skullcandy logo and the volume will go up. If you want to do a track forward, to go to the next one, you're going to double tap the Skullcandy logo on either of these. Okay, it doesn't matter which one you pick. So if I pick tap twice, I'll go to the next song. again to the next song. If I want to go backwards to the previous song, I'll tap 3 times on the Skullcandy logo. Again, no matter which one, it doesn't matter if it's the left one or the right one. So let me do it. 1, 2, 3. You need to tap quite quickly, and sometimes it doesn't register. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, you see it worked, but I had to do it another time. These buttons are not that sensible, so sometimes you have to repeat what I just showed you. If you want to change the EQ mode, you're going to take the right side earbud and you'll have to press on the Skullcandy logo 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, quickly. And it will switch between the default mode, that is music mode, to bass boost. And if you tap 4 times again, you're going to switch to podcast mode. If you want to go back to music mode, tap again 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And every time you do this, you're going to hear a voice telling you in which EQ mode you are. If somebody calls you and you want to answer, obviously you can take your phone and answer and you're going to be able to talk. Or if you prefer using the earbud, simply tap once on the Skullcandy logo and you'll be able to answer the call that is appearing on your screen, so you don't have to touch your phone. To hang up, simply press again on the Skullcandy logo and the call will be terminated. Let me show you how to charge your Skullcandy Push Play Active. There's many different ways, so let's get started. First of all, make sure that both are in the case. In this case, we'll be charging using a USB Type-C port in the back. It comes included with this cable, but you don't have to use it in case you have lost it. You can use the same cable as you charge your iPhone or Android smartphone. All you have to do is to find one of these power adapters, or if, just like me, you have a power bar that also has some USB ports, very practical, you can use basically any USB Type-C cable by connecting one hand here and the other hand in the back of the case. Now, if we take a look in the front over here of the case, once I have connected it, you're gonna get a light. Depending what this light is showing, it can tell you how much percentage it has charged. So if it's pulsating amber, the way you see right now, it means that it's from 0% to 40%. If this light is pulsating white, in that case, it's from 41% to 90%. And if the light over here just stays white and doesn't pulsate, it means that it's from 91% to 100%. Another cool thing, in case you don't have any charger with you, by the way, you can also take a portable battery and connect it to it. You can also use a phone to charge these. So over here I have my iPhone, and if I plug the case in my iPhone, as you see here, it's currently charging. It will obviously use the battery left in my iPhone, so if I don't have a lot, that's not a good news since it will drain it quite quickly. But otherwise, you know, if you're traveling and you don't know how to charge these, well, simply plug it and you're good to go. Let me show you how to factory reset your Skullcandy Push Play Active earbuds in case you're having issues with them or in case you want to pair them with a new device. So step number 1 is to put them both inside of the case. Then you're going to take them out, and actually before taking them out, I suggest you disconnect them from any device. So if you have connected them with your iPhone, go into the Bluetooth settings of your iPhone and erase them. Okay, take them out, and we need to keep press the Skullcandy logo, okay, this skull over here, during 6 seconds. Keep your finger press on both of these buttons during 6 seconds. And then release. Put them back inside of the case. Wait about 3 seconds. And then take them out. If you notice, okay, since now they have been resetted, the light, the LED light on them will blink white and will blink blue, which means that they are in pairing mode, ready to be paired with a new device. You see, blue, white. This is perfect. It means they got resetted. So let me show you how to pair them with an Android smartphone in case this is what you're looking for. If you have an iPhone, it's about the same thing. You're going to go into the Bluetooth settings. You're going to drop down from the top right corner. You're going to find Bluetooth. You're going to keep press on it. Then you're going to see available devices. If you don't see that, click on details and you'll be on the Bluetooth menu. And under available devices, usually it's at the bottom of the screen, you're going to press on your Push Play Active. You're going to select pair. And right now they are paired, as you see, perfect. I can even see the battery percentage remaining in them. At this point, you can simply open any music app, YouTube, put them in your ears and start using them. Once you're done using them, put them back inside of the case. And over here on your Samsung, on your Android smartphone, it will switch back to the internal speakers of your phone. And once you take them back from the case and you put them in your ears, it will switch back to them. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.